Hey everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. This is my Margarete Miller collage assignment book, and I just realized the other day that I've been filming a week ahead of where I'm supposed to be filming, or well, not filming, but uploading the week ahead of the week that we actually were on, because I forgot to upload this video and now I can't find it anywhere. So I forgot to show you guys week 19, so I thought I'd show you that this week. So the prompts were a hand or hands, 2 postage stamps, a single word that inspires you, a mountain or hill, a piece from a calendar or a planner, and a pattern with circles or dots. So I have a background of a calendar, and then I have my hands right here, my healing hands. These are my 2 postage stamps with a word. Well, both of these words inspire me. This is a mountain in the background, or a hill. And they're actually, I didn't really notice it before. I didn't think I did the bonus, but if you count these little circles right here, you can kind of say that I did the bonus. So there we have it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. But you can also check out all my other videos of stuff that I do. And in the meantime, we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.